When I got the listing and I explored the mansion, I fell in love with every detail. I decided to do something that is really exciting for a property of this caliber. So I thought, why not showcase it to the world and collaborate with one of the top realtors globally? I started texting him, and during an online call, I shared all the pictures and videos. He was even more excited, and he said, Nagam, I would love to be part of this project. And who else but Josh and Matt Altman, the Altman brothers, coming all the way from LA to Dubai. For those who doesn't know, Josh Altman is in a league of his own, having sold over $7.5 billion in his career. So now I can say we're more excited about this tour. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Hello,
How are you?
God, welcome to
Beautiful.
Italy.
Yeah, take a tour.
Let's do it.
After you.
Wow, this is unbelievable. This is not what I expected. Yeah, you walk up to the door over here, and you have no idea this is behind the door. It's unbelievable.
Everything is top notch.
What is this marble? Because that's gorgeous. Look at the way it matches the car. It's like the perfect combo with radar. Look at this. This is beautiful. I've never actually seen that color stone. I can't get over how beautiful the facade is. The front of this building is just incredible.
It's funny, we see a lot of houses, you know, on Instagram or TikTok or marketed, but I've never seen a house in Dubai finished to this level.
Yes, a lot of attention to details. Even you can see here for the furniture, it's sourced only from top brands.
Everything's negotiable, right, for the right price, but I will say that what's nice, especially for investors from our side of the world, for people looking for a second, third, fourth home, or maybe this might be their primary residence, just the fact that you can come in here, buy everything. It's the ultimate turnkey house, ready to go.
This is 3,000 square meters, so really very spacious. And this chandeliers is special because it was installed piece by piece, and that's not easy. If you can see the mirrored ceiling all over.
Yeah.
We have like over 5,000 square foot of mirrored ceiling.
I was gonna say, this is definitely not an easy chandelier to put in. You make one little crack, you gotta redo the whole thing.
Yes. All the tables are handcrafted meticulously. That this is all special pieces that's going. It's not ready-made.
There's not, everything feels custom in this house.
Yes,
Like, there doesn't look like a piece of this.
Also, it's nice because it's a big house, right? But you have all these different moments, these different sitting areas throughout the house that really have their own personalities.
I feel the same way. You're standing here, and you've got a sitting area over there, you have the outdoor fire pit area, another lounge area, the dining room table. You can have a party in here with probably hundreds of people and never feel like it's full. Wow, look at that dining room, Josh.